In this video, we will be calculating the determinants of 2x2 and 3x3 matrices. The matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to find the determinant of A. The first step is to multiply the top row by alternating +1 and -1. Then we find the product of the first diagonal, so that's 1 times 4. And then we add to that the product of the second diagonal, taking into account the plus and minus 1. So that's going to give us -2 times 3. So 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, so 4 minus 6 gives us -2. So the determinant of the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 is -2. Now let's look what would happen if the matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3, 4. So to find the determinant, we first of all do the alternating signs, and then we multiply 1 by 4, and then we multiply -2 by 3, so that's actually going to give us 2 times 3. So this time 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 4 plus 6 is 10. So in this case, because that was already -2, the minus times the minus means that instead of the determinant being -2, the determinant is now 10. Let's imagine we have a 3x3 matrix, which is 1, 3, 2, 4, -5, 8, and -2, 6, -2, 6, 3. So to find the determinant, we do the plus and minus signs again, so that's plus, minus, plus. So we take the first term, which is 1, and we remove the row and the column that contains the 1. And now we've got a 2x2 matrix that's left here. We know how to evaluate 2x2 matrices, so we put the plus and the minus as before. So we've got 1 times, brackets, -5 times 3, which is -15, -8 times 6, which is -48. So now we take the second term, we remove the row and the column that contain the second term, and now we've got a 2x2 matrix, which is 4, 8, -2, 3. So we've got -3, and we'll put in our plus and minus as before. So we're going to get 4 times 3 is 12, and now we've got -8 times -2, so that's going to be +16. And now we get onto the third term, so we remove the row and the column containing the third term, and we have a 2x2 matrix, which is 4, -5, -2, 6. So we'll put in our plus and minus as before, so we're going to get +2 times 4 times 6 is 24, -5 times -2 is +10, and we've got an additional minus, so that means we're going to get -10. So mod A is equal to -15 and -48 is going to be -63 times 1, so that's -63. 12 plus 16 is 28. 28 times -3 is going to be -84. 24 minus 10 is 14. 2 times 14 is 28, so that's going to be +28. So 63 and 84 is 140, 157. 157 minus 28 is -119. And that's the value of our 3x3 matrix. If A was a 4x4 matrix, so let's say it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N O P. If we wanted to find the determinant of this, we would do the plus, minus, and then we would take out that row and that column, and now we have a 3 by 3 matrix. So we would do the plus, minus, plus, we'd take out that row and that matrix, and now we've got a 2 by 2. And we would expand the 3 by 3 for the first term, and then expand the next 3 by 3, and the next, and the next. So with this technique you can expand any size of matrix, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, n by n. And that is how you evaluate matrices.